Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to download and install Nodejs. The link address to the Nodejs website is displayed on the screen. Once you navigate to the Nodejs website, it will automatically detect what computer type you are using. If you're on a Mac, it will present you with the download options for a Mac, and the instructions are fairly straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you're on a Windows, it will detect what type of Windows operating system you have. If you're running a 64 or 32-bit, it will automatically detect that. For me, I'm running a 32-bit, which is the x86. So click on the one that says current, whatever it is current as of the time you are downloading. Node.js tends to change the versions, so whatever version that is current as of the time you download, I will recommend you use that current version. For me, I'm just going to click on this current to begin the download. The process is the same for a Mac and also a Windows machine. So I'll just wait for the download to complete and I'll run the installation file. Once the download is complete, just double click on the file, which is the .msi. If you are on a Windows, I'm running this on a Windows based computer. I'm just going to double click to run the installation and click run, and just follow the on-screen instructions. So click on the next button, accept the terms and license agreement, click on that, click next, accept the default installation location, which is C program files Node.js, click next, and just click next and click install. Once the installation has completed, you should get this box come up saying completed the Node.js setup. Just click on the finish button. To test that you've definitely got nodes installed, you need to check for it in your command line or your terminal if you're running a Mac. So I'm going to use the command line in Windows. I'll type in cmd, and this is my command line. So to test that you've definitely got node installed, you type in node space -- version and press enter, and it will tell you the current version. There you go. So if you've got version 9.8 or whatever version you've installed, once you can see that, it means you have got Node.js installed successfully. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.